garage out of Orlando, Florida. Got it from my homeboy up in Tennessee, made its way down here with some trading, and then swapped some parts around. I had my buddy Milkbone paint it for me and finished it up last week. Wild. Super wild. It's pretty crazy. It's the first time he ever used this product on it, and it's pretty amazing. Almost like a color changing flake. I don't know. It's like wizard dust. Absolutely. Anybody else that's a craftsman or fabricates, everybody's solid and very positive, uplifting. It's awesome. I actually have a hot rod background. I've worked in a hot rod shop in Orlando for about 9 years. Got introduced to Shane Bow at the Hate Factory, and that just changed my life. Yeah, my 74 shovel head. I built that for the Upsweep show 2 years ago, and I built it in about a month with help from all of my friends. I couldn't have got it done without them, but it was a mad dash to get that thing done, and it came out pretty amazing. I think it's pretty rad, man. I really like the show you guys put on, and I appreciate you guys inviting us all to be here. It's really cool.